Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix cannot find script file run.vbs at Logon. Press Ctrl-Alt-Delete keys, click Task Manager. Click File, click Run New Task. Type regedit.exe. Check Create this task with administrative privileges. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows NT. Click and expand current version. Click WinLogon. Open user init string. Delete W script space. Delete run.vbs comma. System 32 \. User init.exe comma. Click OK and exit Registry Editor. Open Task Manager. Click File, click Run New Task. Type Log Off. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.